There is something truly inspiring about having a bird as a pet. Watching them fly and interact with their environment is mesmerizing. Birds are also very intelligent creatures and can be trained to do tricks or even learn to say a few words. They are a great addition to any home and can bring happiness and joy to everyone who interacts with them. There's nothing quite like watching the sun come up with friends. As the sky fills with orange and pink hues, you can share a moment of awe and appreciation for all that nature has to offer. Watching the colors of the sky change is a beautiful reminder of how precious life is. Being together with friends and witnessing this natural wonder is a memory you will always cherish. Macaroons are the perfect way to show someone how much you care. They're simple, elegant, and always make people feel special. Whether you're making them for a loved one or for a special occasion, macaroons are the perfect way to show your appreciation.